Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got a 2014 Toyota Highlander, and on this Toyota Highlander we're going to go over how you would remove the window. So to start with, you need to remove the inner door panel, and then once the inner door panel is removed, then we will be able to remove this little plastic cover, sound barrier. We'll just pull that off. It's stuck with some good rubber sticky stuff. And so we'll remove that to be able to get to the bolts, one on this side and the one over here. Rule of thumb, before you take the whole door panel off and you take the control module off, on this vehicle, as long as if you have this window raised up between 3 to 4 inches from the outside weather trim, your bolt hole over there will line up exactly where it needs to be able to pull the bolt hole. Here we have a little rubber cover that you would remove, and there's a bolt in there, but if you have that window at 3 to 4 inches up from the outside weather stripping, you can be able to get that bolt out and this bolt on this side out, and that way you can remove the window out with ease and not have to hook anything back up and whatnot. So we're going to do our best to peel this off. We still want it to put back on. Okay, so we peeled that off and set that to the side, and now we've got this bolt that we need to remove, and we've got the bolt in here, which is going to be a size 10. Alright, so with those two bolts removed, now we can pull the window out. And so you're going to pull it up, bring it at an angle, and be able to pull the whole glass out of the vehicle. And so that's how you remove the glass window out of your door panel, or out of the door, on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.